Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M31s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set dual apps in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on Advanced Features and click on Dual Messenger. Now you have Facebook app here. Just turn on the button against Facebook app and click on install. Disclaimer is presented. Read the disclaimer and click on confirm. And if you want to use separate contact list, just turn on this button. You can set separate contact list for the second app. Click on done. And dual messenger is turning on. Just wait. So you can sign in into two accounts of Facebook without signing out of each one. Here go to home page and you will see second app. This is first app and this is second Facebook app. In this way you can set dual app for Facebook. If you want to set for WhatsApp, first you go to install WhatsApp. For that go to Google Play Store and install WhatsApp. After installing you will have I install WhatsApp. So I have to sign in into Google Play Store. I didn't sign in so far, so I got to sign in. Then I need to put password. Yes, yes. I accept terms and conditions from Google. Now search on WhatsApp. Search WhatsApp on Google Play Store and install WhatsApp. So if you install WhatsApp in your phone, this WhatsApp app will be listed under dual messenger in your phone. You have to go to settings, click on advanced features and find dual messenger. There WhatsApp will be listed. You have to turn on the button against WhatsApp as you done for Facebook. Just wait. %74% completed for WhatsApp installing. 82%, 83%, 89%, 92%, 93, 98, 100. Yes, it's installing now. Now you can check it under the settings of your phone. Yes, go to home screen and go to settings, advanced features and dual messenger, and yes, it has come here. Just turn on this button and click on install. Yes, second WhatsApp is now installed, so you can use two WhatsApp accounts in your phone without signing out of each one. Go to home screen and sign in into two WhatsApp here. In this way you can easily create dual apps in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. If you want to use another app, for example Instagram or Telegram or whatever maybe, just install it and they will be under the list and you can just turn on the button. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.